Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by to see what I am up to. I'm excited for this box. This is the AIA Beauty Bundle. We all know what brand is in this box. They just this month for October switched to a monthly subscription box instead of bi-monthly. So it's I think it's still $34 plus free shipping every month now. This is the American Influencer Award. So each box is basically a brand takeover. You get 5 to 6 full-size products, makeup, skincare, hair care. Every bundle is valued at over $100. They do donate $1 for each bundle purchased to their charity. And like I said, this is effective October 2021. This is now monthly from bi-monthly. I have not even slit the tape on this box. So excited. And we all know that this, for those that don't know, that this should be a Colourpop takeover. Hopefully they get some really good brands for this. Have not seen any spoilers. Be strong, be beautiful, be you is on the box. So let's get into, oops, what is this? Let's get, trying to keep this stuff away from Oreo. She's down and about. So this is Colourpop. Ooh. In the back with some prices and a little description. Let's have a little sneak at this box. I'm excited. I did do the Colourpop mystery boxes. I have a giveaway going on, so let's go find that and take part. And let's just get into this. I'm loving Colourpop. Fourth Ray Beauty, Soul Beauty. I'm trying to think what other little brand, they're all the same parent company. So this is from Fourth Ray Beauty. This is the Daily Facial Moisturizer, Oil-Free Goodness. Happy to have this. Where's that on here? Value of $16. Packaging for Fourth Ray is usually pretty plain. That's pretty standard and plain. Let's see, this is not a huge pot, but the packaging is deceiving. That smells good. Almost like a little citrus. It does have one of those, sealed tops, which is nice. I always use a scoop that I have received in the past. I have a little bit on my hand. And that smells so good. And that would smell very refreshing on your face. $16. Powered by plant-derived squalene, which is very good for your skin, plus shea butter and lychee to replenish moisture for supple, healthy-looking skin around the delicate eye area. Wears flawlessly alone or under makeup. Nice. So this is for your eyes. You can put it all over. I don't follow that rule. I mean, what's good for your under eyes can be good for your nose, your chin, wherever. We have this little package. Everything looks well packaged. Oh, is that broke? This is Super Shock Cheek, and this shade is Wisp. Okay. Here, and then I'll show you the back. I'm not sure if that's broke or not. Well, I don't think it matters. For blush, you can just swirl it around. It does look like there's a crack. I'm not going to open the top. There does look like there's a little crack in there, but like I said, I don't think that matters. Just swirl your brush around in it. That's nice, like that. Trying to keep everything in this little package here so that sometimes I throw these away. But for right now, we'll leave it packaged like that. So let's find this. I'm trying to think what they were worth. Super Shock. Well, that's a highlighter. That says blush. You know what? I assumed blush, but this is Super Shock highlighter. Pearl eyes. It just says Super Shock cheek, but this is highlighter. So that's a little dark for me, but you never know. You can use it for an eyeshadow too. So let's grab this out next. So juicy. Oh, you grab it. Plumping gloss. The Super Shock highlighter is $8. This is also $8, and this is Stuntin. Oreo. What are you doing over there? These dogs have been driving me berserk. So here it is right here. Looks really nice. I've kept a few. I'm going to share a few. Like I said, look for my giveaway. It's full of goodies. It's a mystery to you. Not to me, though. Okay, let's see what this is. We have a decent amount of products in here. A brow pencil in taupe, which is great for me. Brow pencil in taupe, $7. Not always a pencil person. I love the, you know, the gels and so forth, but I don't mind having this. It has a spoolie on one end, which I generally don't like. They're hard to keep clean. And this. So there's the product. Oops, just popped the lid off right there. Hopefully Oreo won't bother that. I don't think I can get it. I don't know where it went. But a nice fine spoolie there. There you go. Hey, dude's new. So we'll leave that there till I can get it. She's asleep now, thank goodness. So we have Act Natural Defining Mascara in black, which I will share because I have, but yet this says brown on my card and this says black. Black, which I don't care. I have a black and a brown from them, so let's just verify this is black, full size. I will share this. I think I'm giving away 1 or 2 in my giveaway just because I can't. They're full size and they will go to waste. There's another product right here. What is this? I love how greatly packaged everything is. I have like less and less room here. So this is Color Vision eyeshadow palette, $10. Is there a shade pressed powder palette? All right, let's just open it and see. $10. I mean, that's affordable. It looks like 5 pans. So that's what it looks like. It does give you the pan names on the back, which is not a big deal. Oh, that's really pretty. Let me just, I can hold that up like that. That's cute. That pink is, whew. Might use the other shades, like for a neutral eye. I don't think I would use that pink, but happy to have this. I didn't get one like that when I got the mystery boxes, so I'm happy for that. And affordable, $10. So, and then here's another palette. This is Neon Gaze eyeshadow palette. I'm sure this one's bright. It looks it, but like one bright and the others look pretty neutral. So I'll show you this before I open it. That's really not that bad. This one is not as, like, yes, that's neon yellow greenish color, and the rest is standard neutral, but that I think you could probably pull off more than the bright pink for me. I think the Glowscape is the neon. The other ones, these are very neutral palettes, and then in this one it's like I can read that. Nope. Laser Tech is the bright pink. So happy for them. $10, like I said, extremely affordable. We have this here, and this looks like it is from Soul Beauty, and this is the Glow Oil Mini in Champagne. Let me just, right here. And I think I shared one of my glow oils. I don't generally use this stuff, so it's a waste for me, so I always share this stuff, and if you guys don't use it, you can pass this along. Now this one might be a better shade for me. Some of the other ones were a little dark, but this you can put on your face, on your décolleté. You can put this on your legs. That's why it's a body oil. You can use that everywhere, and that is $10 also for sun-kissed skin and a healthy glow. This shit is next level. That's on their card, not me. This is the most exciting part for me. Let me just put this back here. Right here. $44. This is Kit Ultimate Brush Roll. You know I'm excited for this. I don't think I have any Colourpop brushes in all my brushes. Is that possible? Oh, I have to get them. Where'd they go? One time Oreo got a hold of one of these and she did not. She's not an eater when she gets something, but I freaked. I'm like, no, because that scared me to death. So this is what this looks like. Beautiful. I love this. Where's the, unwrap this. Take it out of the plastic and let them air out, because from being in the cellophane, you know, they smell, it smells, you can smell the chemical. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, nice. Like the inside of this is velvet, or not velvet, felt. But look at these brushes. I mean, you can leave them in here or take them out and fill this with brushes that you want to take away if you're going away, and roll it up. Oh, these feel nice. Oh, I like these. Let me see. And these are numbered, so it doesn't tell you, but you can, you know, your brushes, use them for what you want. Oh, these are nice. That's what the brushes look like. That's probably a highlight. There's plenty of powder. Here's your angled, this nice fluffy brush here, powder brush. I wash my brushes before I use them. Oh, that feels so nice for powder brush. For really anything you want, if you want to use that to put on blush, go for it. You want to put the powder on, but there's a lot of eye brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11 of them are for your makeup. You can't go wrong with that. $44. I think that's fairly priced for a set. I mean, we had a 3-piece, and I think it was boxy, if I'm not mistaken, that was more than that. I'm like, that's ridiculous. Now, $44 to get all these brushes is definitely nice, and I'm happy to have these. Nice. Get this rolled back up, kinda, and just wrap it up. I'm not going to put it back in that cellophane because it will smell. So that's $44. Let me just see. This is your ultimate brush set. The faux leather brush roll collection includes 14 vegan cruelty-free brushes. Will help you create any look on your eyes or face. I agree with that. So I have my phone. Like, no, take your phone over. So let's get a value of these products. So 10, 10, 9, and 16. So that's those four. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have another 10. You can hear Oreo in the background deciding to play with their feet. 8 and 7. Just trying to quickly add these up, and then 44. $100 value. I have $122 value for $34. I'm not going to complain about that at all. And I like Colourpop. So some cute palettes. Mascara, a lip gloss, the body oil, the moisturizer, and then the brush set. I don't think you could go wrong. Here's the card. So I know last month with Herbivore, there were boxes still available. I don't know about this one though, because I think everybody would want Colourpop. So if you're not subscribed to this, sign up, because if they're going to continue to do this, Herbivore is a great skincare, and I love that. Any dupes, because I do have some of the Herbivore products I have in my giveaway drawer, so I'll be sharing those. I know I shared something with a subscriber that lost everything in a flood, some skincare along with makeup. So Colourpop, I'm doing a big giveaway with some items that I received in the 3 mystery boxes. These I probably will keep. Mascara I'll probably give away, but mostly everything else I think I'll keep. I'm happy for this one. Can't wait to see what November brings. What brand? Hopefully it's makeup. I did see something that they were going to try to do more makeup boxes since they're now monthly. So, you know what? I'm going to go with the flow on the monthly. If I find that I'm not liking what I'm getting, or I'm not liking the brands over a period of time, I always have the option to cancel and go back at any time I want. So I just don't know how popular they're going to become. So if you're not currently on it, I don't know if in the future they'll wait list people. I have no idea. You know, look, they got on board with the monthly box and have partnered up with a lot of great brands. So I would love to see MAC in a box. I love MAC Cosmetics, and there's so many brands I would love to see in this particular box. So let's see what the future brings. And if you're not getting this, what are you waiting for? You're going to miss out on some good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.